Alright, this is Steve at STO N SHO. We're doing a fitment today on a 2019 Stelvio. This is their SUV. We've also fit this bracket on the 23, so from 19 to 23, this for sure. I'm not sure when the gen started, but this bracket will work. Okay, unfortunately right now this dealership's got a ton of cars and they're all close quartered in here, so making our job difficult today. Yeah, and it's going to go lower center here. Again, it's kind of hard to see that, so we're going to go ahead and get the fitment started. I'm going to turn it over to Mike.
Okay. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove the two center screws right here and right here. And these are a T27 Torx. And as Steve mentioned earlier, we're kind of in cramped quarters here because of the dealership. They've packed them in pretty tight. So we're going to be removing these, but we're going to be reusing them. There's a shoulder on these, if I'm sure you can see. And that's going to go up into the base plate, and then it's going to sit flat on there. So we're going to go ahead and get the base plate. There. So, and then you can see we got a pretty good size hole there, so that's going to go up like that, and that shoulder bowl will sit flush. So we're going to go ahead and start that one. And if it pops off, you can just, like it did on me, you can just bring it down, it'll drop right in. And we're going to start the other one. This is actually a pretty straightforward installation, real easy. You're going to take your T27 ratchet that you used to take them out and then just tighten them back up. Now these are a 6mm bolt with a T27 Torx head, but meaning you can tighten these up pretty good, so you shouldn't have any problem with this coming loose. You can see I can put a pretty good turn on these, so get them nice and tight. There you go, and as you can see, that's pretty solid, not going anywhere. So then all you have to do is take your front plate, start it in, grab your pull pin, get it past the pull pin, and slide it till it clicks into place, and there you go, you're on.
Yeah, and normally we want the front plate, we want that front to be a little more not leaning forward like this, but for this particular vehicle where we're mounting it lower and the triangular shape in the front here juts out, I think in this case we decided that the front, even though it leans forward a little bit, actually contours and it's going to look better than trying to have the bracket stick out more on the bottom and have it straight. So that's why that it's angled to the front. But anyway, so you're just going to take your front license plate and you're going to attach it to the front plate there, and then you're all done.
Okay, now we're going to install your license plate onto the front of your STO N SHO. So you take the front plate, license plate, you're going to take the plastic screws. They're going to go in from the back, because again, what you're doing is clearance. You don't want them scraping onto the car. And then you're going to put it through the license plate like that, and then start your nut on the outside. You can do that with all the 4 of them. In through the back. Start that one. Okay, there you go. So that's how you put this is a 1/4 inch screw with a 1/4 inch nut. It's a 7/16 head, so you can take a 7/16 wrench or socket, and then your bladed screwdriver, and just tighten it. Oops. And there you go. And that's what it should look like, the screw from the back and the nut on the top. And then if you were going to add a frame to it, you would simply put your license plate into the frame, and then everything else would be the same.